Hey guys, how's it going? Clutch went out in my car, and I was gonna give you guys a 60-day performance review on my rotors that I got, but instead my clutch decided that it's my turn to get attention. So here's how I roll. Clutch went out, and I'm rebuilding the engine, and I'll get closer for you. All right, so lost track of time. We had the airbox pulled out, got the plenum off, and we're thinking pulling the whole engine out anyway. Might as well rebuild the dang thing. So $350, rebuild my engine, 90,000 miles. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on it. Sorry that I jumped into it almost halfway through, but I'll give you guys more updates and show you what I'm doing. Actually, what I'm doing now, we just unplugged everything, got the fuel rail off and the plenum off, and then tomorrow we're gonna hit it. I actually might come back later tonight and get the AC compressor out, but that's what we're at right now. Hey guys, it's like 11 o'clock or something. I got off work and I decided to come work on my car. Before we can pull the engine, I gotta take out the AC compressor like I said earlier, and I'm doing that now. And yeah, it's kind of bad. The bugs are pretty bad, but it's just 4 bolts and take off a belt, and then I'm heading home. But that's what I'm doing tonight. And tomorrow we're gonna try to get the motor out. That's why I'm in here tonight, so I can get a head start on it tomorrow morning with my dad. And I guess I'll keep you updated. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's about 12:15. I kind of just been, doing my thing. But I got the AC compressor out, got the wheel back on, and I'm ready to hit it hard tomorrow. And I'm really excited about this car, man. And as you can see, she's getting taken care of right now, and I'm just so happy for this, and I'm ready for this thing to be done and engine rebuild at 90,000 miles. And if you guys are thinking, why is he doing this? Honestly, there's really no reason. I really love this, and I want to learn more about this. So to get under the hood, and I'm taking out the transmission and the engine anyway to do the clutch. And why not rebuild it? I mean, this is what I love to do, and if you want to do something, what's stopping you, And that's exactly what my mindset is, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. And before we call it a night, here's a little update for you guys. We got almost everything disconnected. I'll have my dad take a look at it tomorrow, and I don't know why we can't, disconnect the exhaust and pull this bad boy tomorrow. So, man, I'm really excited for this. Stay tuned, and hope you guys like it. Hey guys, back at it, and came a little late today. It's about 11 o'clock, 10:30, and my dad is at his house right now working on some stuff. He's selling the house, so somebody's coming to look at it. But I'm gonna try to get the exhaust unhooked and unbolted. Spread it down pretty good, WD-40 and PB Blaster, so hopefully it should come right out. But that's what I'm doing right now. And when he gets here, we're gonna we got a couple things we have to unhook, and then we're gonna try to pull the engine out. So I'll keep you updated. All right, guys, grind does not stop. I told you guys we were gonna get out tonight, and sadly we did not. It's the next morning. It's 1 o'clock in the morning, 12:54 to be exact, and the engine is out. Myrtle has no brain, and it was not easy, I'll tell you that. Hardest part was actually not that hard besides the driver's side CV shaft. It was literally fighting us like the Nazis out here, not trying to come out, and we figured out a way, and we got it out. And when we got that loose, it took us literally no time to get it out. Here she is. 20 years of being untouched, and she's finally going to get some love. And I'll take you guys every step of the way. Stay tuned. Hey guys, good morning. It's about 10:30. My dad can't make it out here today. He's got some stuff. But here's another look at it. Daylight. I ain't got an engine, boys. And next step, I got to separate the transmission from the engine. and then we got to get the engine stand, and then once the engine stand, or the engine is on the engine stand, that's when we can start taking apart. But plan for today is I'm riding solo today, and transmission to be separated from the engine. And I'll keep you guys updated. Just stay tuned. Thanks for coming along on this video if you made it this far. Hey guys, transmission's out. I had a little bit of help with my aunt just because she had to control the jack with the cherry picker while I wiggled out the 5-speed tranny. But yeah, it was, what time is it? It's about 11:50, 11:40, and it took a little bit longer than expected, but I didn't run into any huge problems, and overall, it's one step closer to being done, guys. Here she is in all her glory. And tomorrow, actually maybe not tomorrow, but the next day, we're gonna figure out how bad this clutch was, because I don't know if I told you guys, but it took me about 4,000 RPMs just to get the car moving. Yeah, so this bad boy is fried, and we will show you when it's next to come, whether that's tomorrow or the next day. But we'll hop on it and stay tuned, guys. This is where getting nice and juicy. Best content's coming in. Hey guys, it's Tuesday, day off. Had to go buy an engine stand. I'm gonna put the engine on the engine stand and I'm gonna start taking that bad boy apart. I'm gonna measure the bores, things like that. And I'm gonna buy the rebuild kit and I'll get you guys posted. You're right. There's the clutch. We got that off. That is terrible. This thing is literally about to fall apart. Well, that's 20-year-old OEM Mitsubishi. $10. Got the engine on the engine stand, boys. Got a pretty bad oil leak over 20 years. Yeah. We're gonna clean this out. Make sure everything's running good. Get it all put back together. Rebuild kit. And we rolling, boys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, about 9 o'clock. We got the whole top of the engine off, valve covers. Got the whole timing taken off. And about pretty much everything that's left that I could just get to probably be the water pump. But as of tonight, we're going to pull the plug. My dad has to go to bed. He has to work tonight. And we're going to come back. I got work in school, so it'll probably be a couple days, but we'll get to it as soon as we can. And we're going to hit it hard, get all the way down to the heads, and then we're going to order the parts and then start rebuilding. So just stay tuned, guys. Get to the best parts right here. All right, guys, you want to take a look at this? This massive oil leak that we had. And we were guessing that it was coming from the cam seals. If you see, this one looks like it's a little wet down here. This one, completely soaked. I think that's the main source of our oil leak right there. So we're gonna get all that switched out, and that's gonna be part of the rebuild kit. So guys, this is where it start getting fun. Stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the full set of parts that we got off of the entire car right here, from the cam gears all the way to the starter. You got the intake valve covers. You got the flywheel. There's the 5-speed tranny right there. But this is getting real fun, guys. Real fun. Hey guys, we're back at it. It's Friday. I can work on it for a couple hours before I go to work. But the plan today is to take off the heads, basically strip it all the way down so we can order the right parts for the rebuild kit. And yeah, I'll show you a picture. I gotta take out all the head bolts and then it should come right up. And that's where we're at right now. I'll give you next step when we get there. All right, guys, got all the heads off. And we made our way over here. We got the cradle off the crankshaft. And now we got to get little tubes for these. And
we don't scratch up the cylinder walls.
Yeah, so we don't scratch up the cylinder walls. And then I'm not sure how much we're going to get done today, but tomorrow I'm off. And we're going to get the parts ordered tomorrow. So stay tuned. Hey guys, forgot my hat today, but we gotta remove the rotating assembly and clean everything up, start cleaning everything up, and we gotta order the rebuild kit or all the gaskets and stuff, and we start rebuilding it. So stay tuned and get right into it. All we got left is obviously the motor mounts, and this is a bare block right here. We're scraping off the head gaskets right here off of the block, and then we're gonna pressure wash it. See all that nasty crap in there? I don't know if you can. It's pretty rough. It's 20 years of just sitting, and we're gonna pressure wash it off. We're gonna take it back, and then I gotta order the rebuild kit, all the gaskets and such, and then we'll be golden. Stay tuned, boys. Hey guys, it's really hot out, but you can see we got everything taken off and order the parts today, and hopefully within the next couple days we can get it. There's a couple things I have to clean up, like the oil pan, the heads, the valve covers where all the gaskets were, and then covered up the engine, the block, so that nothing can get into it.
Oiled it down.
So we're gonna oil it down, and then we're gonna prep it, and then once we get all the parts, put it together, and then we're putting it back in, and hopefully it works. So I'll show you guys really quick. I made a video for it, so you go back and look at it as an unboxing. But here's my gasket set, full gasket set. We got pistons right here. We got all the piston rings, bearings right there, all the bearings. And we got all the lifters and the freeze plugs. Check out my other video if you want to see it full in depth. But it comes with literally everything you need for a stock rebuild, just like I'm doing. So if you want to get into it, just go check out the other video. But that's what I'm doing. I'm going to get it in and get right that to you guys. Hey guys, finally got my pistons pressed in. I got the wrist pins. I got the pistons off of the old connecting rods and the wrist pins, and got the new wrist pins and the pistons put on. And I'll show you really quick, close up. And these look good, guys. Look at that. He cleaned up all the connecting rods, end caps for me. Man, that looks nice. Anybody near me, around Fulton, Clinton, if you want to get any machine shop work done, Ron's Automotive in Sterling, Illinois. Wow, that's good. Alright, well, stay tuned. My dad's on vacation right now, and we're going to rebuild once he comes back, but I got some more cleaning to do. And stay tuned, guys. My dad's still on vacation, and I'm actually going to be replacing the water pump right now. Basically, just goes right back on, take a little one off. I didn't clean this up, obviously, because I'm replacing it, and it's got instructions, so if I don't know what I'm doing, or if I have struggle, I can do that. So it looks like it has a tensioner with it, or maybe that's the pulley, I'm not sure. But I'll get that on and get right to you. Hey guys, I got the water pump off, and I was gonna replace it, but just in case I was gonna call my dad, and which I did. He is in like Ohio or something right now. But anyways, I called to make sure I was good to put on the new water pump, and he said no, might as well just wait. He wants to put RTV on it, which I have to go pick up today. I had to pick up head bolts, RTV, assembly grease, and some other odd end stuff. But I'm gonna wait on that, and I'm gonna polish the plenum, and I'll show you guys that in this next video or next clip. And basically, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys watching this long. I know it's getting to a long video, but I wanted to capture this all in one video. And basically, just stay tuned, guys, because we're really close to putting this thing together, and it's gonna look awesome. And I'm gonna give you guys a little clip of me having the car on the road, and I'm gonna go to on car meet. I'm just gonna give you guys just the full rundown, everything I'm doing. Just stay tuned. Please stay tuned. All right, catch you guys later.